Sorry.
Well, why would you do it with the mic open, you ding dong?
I know. I do it on purpose.
What?
Yeah, you're such a jackass.
Blarky have some stuff to put
What?
Oh, so you're coming here with material now?
for your new YouTube channel.
Oh, you think that's all you do is make work for Blarky?
What am I supposed to put?
I just sneeze and then Colo complain and then Blarky can take that and make a video of it.
Oh yeah, that's exactly what he wants to do.
No.
Yeah,
That would be boring as hell, bro.
I'm looking for some higher quality content than that, Hankey.
You need dirty stuff so you can compare with better stuff.
Sneezing isn't dirty. Well, I mean, sneezing is dirty, but not that dirty.
Okay, so you want me to fart now? I can fart if you want.
No.
I don't care what you do.
Just be yourself, Hankey.